Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheryl. If you're new to this, I am just starting out my YouTube channel doing all the inspired makeup look. So today's makeup look is actually inspired by one of my favorite makeup artists, Nikki Makeup. Her makeup skill is just mind-blowing. I love all the makeup look that she has created, and when I see her doing this red lip makeup look, I am like, oh my god, I have to bring back this makeup look because a red lipstick is literally my favorite. I literally put on red lipstick for almost every single day night. That's how much I'm obsessed with this color, because I feel like no matter how light my makeup or how, sometimes there are lazy days, I don't feel like putting a lot of makeup, and just put on a red lipstick. It's kind of bring your whole makeup alive. So yeah, that's how great a red lipstick can work on us. That's why today I am going to show you guys what is my take on this big red lip moment with a little bit of cat eye. I always love a cat eye with a red lipstick combinations. I think they're like the best. So if you want to know how I did this makeup, please keep on watching. I'm all about natural skin, so what I'm gonna do is that I am using back my Face and Body Dior foundations. It's my absolute favorite foundation. So I'm just gonna mix with my Coverfx Enhancer drop. I'm going to my Urban Decay concealer just to conceal a few areas. Because I'm having a little bit of breakout, I'm just gonna conceal those imperfections. Alright, that's a lot to conceal. After the first concealer is done, I'm just going back in and do a second round on the areas. So what I'm gonna do is that I am just gonna tap concealer in. Alright, the base is done. I am gonna sculpt my face using my Fenty Beauty bronzer. Now we're gonna go fix my eyebrow. I am using the same trick, using my Burt's lip balm just to prep my eyebrow, so that I can follow the line and do a natural eyebrow look. I'm gonna use my Maqpro. I am dipping this dark brown color and using this flat angle brush to start drawing the stroke of my eyebrow. I'm going back to my brush, and then I'm swiping up. I am going to my Naked Tree palette. I am just dipping this light nude color as the base. I'm gonna be using this beautiful color from Maqpro. It is a bit like bronze and shimmering. I'm just putting all over my lid. Wow. The color is so pigmented, and I just use really tiny bit of products, and it can give a really good color to the eyes. Seriously, wow. I'm loving this color. Like, trust me, I'm just using like this tiny bit of products, and it really gives a super pigmented color. Alright, next up, I'm gonna be using the same Maqpro product, but it's a different color. This is gold. I am so obsessed with this one. The color looks so freaking pretty. I use so little tiny product, but the effect that it brings out on the eyes is just major. Going back to this bronzy, just touching up with a little bit of the gold eyeshadow under my lower lash line. We're done with the eyeshadow. We're going with my KatVonD. We're gonna do a little bit of cat eyeliner today. So how you do cat eyeliner is that to help you position, you can use your hand to kind of like lift up your eyes just a little bit to know where you're gonna draw your eyeliner. So what I'm gonna do is that I lift up, and then to the end of it, I'm just going up to the shape that I want. Then I'm gonna fill it up little by little. I'm just gonna fill up the gap. If you don't want to get your eyes smudged, you don't go to your waterline, but just a little bit above your waterline, you know, like those in between the lashes, so that your eyeliner won't get smudged so easily. I'm just gonna go a little bit. You can see the difference now. So this is the cat eyeliner, and then I'm just gonna put on my mascara using my Stila and the eyelash color. Guys, so this is the mascara, and I'm using the trick that I've shown you guys in the previous video. I'll link down below at the description on how I do my eyelashes without using a false lashes to create that kind of curvy and, you know, like natural lashes. I am going to my Fenty Beauty. So going back to my foundation brush, and I am brushing it over. What I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna use a little bit bigger flat brush just to tie my upper nose to the eye. I like to run it over a little bit using my foundation brush. I'm going back to my concealer just to go over a little bit here to do a little bit of cleanup. I'm going over using my beauty blender just to make sure that no harsh line. To set up the makeup, I'm gonna use the Maqpro HD powder. For today blushes, I don't want it to be too pinkish, so I'm just gonna mix a little bit of this together with my Zoeva Spectrum. Just gonna run it over all over my cheeks area, and do like a big movement motion. Just a little bit extra. I like my face to be a little bit glowy. I am going to my favorite Burt shimmering just to put it a little bit at the higher cheekbone. I like to add a little bit glow to my face. I don't know, like just kind of make the face looks more, you know, like glamour. I like it this way. Now that we're done with the face, we're gonna go to the most important and exciting part of today's makeup, which is the lip. I am using this YSL to prep my lip. This is set at matte lip coat. This what basically kind of make your lip last longer. It's a very how do I say, like very smooth texture. So now you kind of like mattifying your lips. Now I'm gonna move on to my favorite moment. I am using my favorite autumn favorite red lipstick. I am going to show you guys. This is the Giorgio Armani signature red lipstick. This is number 400. So this is how it looks. This color is gorgeous. I don't have a lip liner. I'm just gonna go ahead with my lipstick. I'm just gonna draw here, and then I'm gonna draw the line using this. As you can see guys, I'm slowly overline my lip to like make it really pokey and big. So after this, I am going to I'm using this. This is gonna be our first layer. I am gonna go with my smaller angle brush. We're done cleaning up the lip. I'm going to my second coat just to make it a little bit more pop. There you go. This is my perfect red lip. I just remember that I have to do a little bit of highlights using my Fenty Beauty. I'm too excited for my red lip and I forgot about this step. Here at the cupid bow, just bring out the red lip. We're just gonna set our makeup using my Urban Decay setting spray. So guys, this is the final look of my red lip moment makeup. I got this inspirations from Nikki Makeup. If you haven't heard of her, please go check out her Instagram over here. She is my biggest inspirations. I recently chanced upon her Instagram profile and I'm so blown away by her makeup skills. So this is my inspirations from her. I always love a big red lipstick moment. Hope you guys love the look that I've created today. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up to my video and subscribe to my channel if you really enjoy and like this video. Also, do come hang out with me on my Instagram. Here's my Instagram. Come follow me and say hi to me if you're coming from my YouTube. I'll be so happy, and you know, I'll probably jumping over the bed if I see you guys coming from my YouTube channel. It will mean a lot to me. Also, I would love to hear from you girls. Any suggestions or ideas if you want to see me how I'm gonna do my makeup on any makeup trend, leave it down in the comment section below. If not, I will see you girls in my next video. I love you girls. Please stay safe and stay healthy.